Hello everyone. So today is 8th of March and tomorrow we have our second weekly expiry of this month, and let's discuss what we are expecting and what happened today. So talking about yes, the first thing is that I couldn't make the last video. So I had some plans with with my friends, and so I went out and I couldn't make the video. I'm extremely sorry. So the thing is that on March 6th, the last on Monday. So the final thing was that we went with call writing as positional. Okay, so going with call writing as positional because and also at I was going call I did call writing at 17,700. Okay, and Nifty was at that time above 17,700, and my average price was 117. Okay, so yes, not only that, like I clearly said that even in the morning also. Okay, so that is 17,800 call writers were building up. Okay, and from that point onwards, 11:40 on Monday. From that point onwards, and also at 41,500 call writers were present, and from that time onwards, things started coming down. Okay, and yes, the thing is that now today morning, more than 50%, like uh, for me it was like from one I shot it at 1117. So now in the morning it opened at around 25 to 30 rupees. Okay, so yes, huge premium we got, and then the final thing was that again for option buyers, I clearly said that no trades for the option buyers because market would be consolidating. Okay, and in the morning some put riders started escaping. Okay, because I don't know why, but then again finally, like, they again decided to come back, and so I told that it would be a consolidation phase. And mostly, like, if you see the charts, then the levels are playing very nicely. Just talking about Nifty, yes, gap down, 100 points, more than 100 points gap down. No, not I think Nifty ends at 17,711, and it opens or whatever. So it came down to 17,622. So almost 90 points gap down. And then again, as I said, that 17,622 would be acting as a major level. So again, it took support there, and also, like I also clearly said in the morning also, that now going up to save the put riders. So basically it went up and then again it came down because of, again, the call writers were also present, so to give them an exit, that also Nifty came down, and finally, like, they also had to give the exit to the put writers, and finally went up. Okay, but yes, if you just go and see in a 1 hour chart, so you can very well see that things are basically consolidating here. Okay, even on the 5 minute chart also, for a long time it consolidated here, came down again, went up at the same level and consolidated. And these levels, you see that 17,720 acted as resistance for the first time, second time, and finally it broke. But again, 17,770 is giving a resistance. So talking about Bank Nifty also, the major levels, as we talked about, 41,278. So Bank Nifty was concentrating around that level for a very long time. Okay, so this level was already discussed several times, and then it went up, and 41 it crossed 41,500, which is a major level. But what I think is that again it will revisit 41,500, as the call writers are also there. So but again, heavy put writing also has been done, so we need to be careful tomorrow. And now talking about even Nifty, if you see that, like, just go into 1 day chart. Yeah, so sorry, 1 day chart. So For Nifty also, if you see the 1 day chart, then I mean the levels are working very nicely. Okay, but let's see how further this goes. So coming to the end of the data and talking about the indicators performance. Just a second. Yeah, and also like if I is bought for 71 crores, so that's a huge buying. So let's see if they continue with their buying or this is a false signal. And also like if you go in the FNO section, then you will figure out that they have sold for 576 crores in futures in the index, and just bought for 118 crores in the futures in stocks, overall stocks. Okay, so yes, and also advance to decline ratios are almost the same, or moreover you can say that the today morning the declines just rose sharply. Okay, and then yeah, talking about the indicators were showing like almost in the neutral zone. If you can see, then some strength was shown, and yes, then the score ends in strength. Okay, and also if you look at yeah Nifty score, so Nifty score gave some early signal in the morning, some score, some strength, but again came down, and then again went into the negative zone, and finally again recovered, the score recovered and came up. Okay, and finally ends in on a positive note. And yes, talking about the indicators, talking about the option chain, so at for tomorrow's expiry, still the max pen is at 17,700. So 17,700 can be revisited, or even like 750 it might consolidate, and depending on which side positions are more, so it could hit that side or whatever, like it will decide after that. So what I'm thinking, like tomorrow 17,800 to 17,700 would be the major 100 points range for Nifty. And talking about Bank Nifty again, so for Bank Nifty it might revisit 41,500 again, because still the call writers are there. And yes, let's go in Bank Nifty. So I don't know why it's taking time. Yeah, and one more thing is that we did not take today any positional trade. Okay, because the thing is that put writers were active, and also call writers were active, but there was no surety, and also VIX is rising. Okay, so that's why we need to be a little bit careful. And talking about Bank Nifty, yeah, talking about Bank Nifty here, 41,500, still call writers are there. So again, and for Bank Nifty, the max pen is still at 41,500. So 41,500 can be revisited again, and that's it for this part. And now let's go to our end of the day data. So end of the data, if you see that if the FIs felt that things are going to go up, then why aren't they making any further futures long positions? Okay, and they have built up some futures short positions today, but again it might not reflect tomorrow, because this is for the monthly option chain. And talking about the index, so option index, if you see that huge put writing has been done, and those have been like heavily hedged by the put buying, but still the put buyings are a little more. Okay, so but again for tomorrow we shouldn't expect a huge fall or something, because of the huge put buyers are there. And also if you see that call writing has been done. Okay, so today call writing has also been done, like in the, this was done in the morning. Okay, when I analyzed and correctly told that fresh call writers are active, so that's when these fresh call writers came. So talking about PropDex data also, they also did some call writing today, but both FIs and PropDex, they are huge in put writing positions. Okay, and it's a huge quantity. Okay, and sorry, the call buying positions are again are being used for hedging purpose. And also if you notice that some more call buying positions are there, so those are nothing but to hedge the futures short positions. Okay, so these call buying positions are purely for hedging purpose. Again, a market might consolidate. So this is the data that can that will say that market can consolidate, because downfall is not expected as much. Yes, 100 points up and down, that can happen, but not like 200 points fall or something. Okay, but yes, if they try escape their positions tomorrow and then take the market down, which is very rarely done. But overall, the thing is that my verdict would be consolidation, because fresh call writing and huge put writing has been done. So since fresh call writing has been done, so these call writers, they could be given exit. Okay, and then finally, like again, these put writers could be given exit. And all market has to do is just stay flat and end flat, and the huge put writing positions would end at end at zero, and the call writing positions, they might not end at zero, but they might be suppose if Nifty ends at 17,750. Okay, so then the call writers at 17,700, they have shorted at more than 100 rupees. So since it's ending at 50 rupees, so they won't be at a loss finally. So that can be the idea for tomorrow. And again, this is not the place for the option buyers, so option buyers stay away. And so from Friday onwards we'll see, but tomorrow option buyers stay, I think it would be better to stay away. And yes, if market gives a nice dip like as it did today, so put writers can initiate positions, but be careful. Okay, about because India VIX is rising, as well as if the put writers escape, then you have a problem. Okay, but yes, again, overall the thing is that market will consolidate. So yeah, that's it for this video. So thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning, and trade safely. See you in the next one.